Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to be continuing the Mustang fastback build. We've got the bonnet and the front wings done. We've also got the doors partly done and the rear quarters partly done. I think I'm going to make it onto the window and the roof today. Hopefully that goes well. And it won't take too long, he hopes. Famous last words. So anyway, let's get cracking. I think we'll make the windows surrounding that first, and then we'll do that afterwards. So let's start with that. We'll start with some round bar to do that. And I won't measure it. What I'll do is I'll do it to my actual bit, because I'm sure my measurements have changed slightly from what they should be, because that's what I'm like. So let's do that. Now to find some round bar, a little bit thinner piece, and maybe I'll go thicker on the sides to make the bit that goes down. But let's start with this. It should go to roughly halfway there to there. Okay, so let's get that marked off with a little bit to spare as always. Is it a curve? Yeah, I think. Okay. Right, let's get that cut off. Okay. So now the fun part of making that curve match that curve. Just a bit of bending. Just to match that there. So I like that. I'm going to weld that there, off of there. Okay. Okay, so there we go. That's the bottom of the windscreen in. Now, actually, we need to come up now and do these bits. So I'm going to not just do the windows now, I'm going to include this piece here. I think that's the way to go. So I'm going to use that thicker piece we had. Don't think we need to do a chop roof. I think we could do it just as it is. I am going to measure this so we know. And then we are saying just about 2.2, 4.4. Need a 4.4 on here. It's a bit rusty, this piece. 4.4. No. Cut that off. Second 4.4. Which can always be a bit trivial. Side. Tack it in first. It's supposed to be right, but I just feel like it's not. Maybe it's the height. We have got there and 5 there. Yeah, we haven't got 5 there. We've got the 4.4. No, that size looks too big. I can measure as much as I like. Just tend to go by my eye. Just seems to be just as good, if not better, I have to say. Right, so now inside. Yeah, there. Okay, now to get this in between the two. It's a bit of a bend note. If it will allow it. Yeah, that's looking good. Yeah, I think it has got that kind of feel to it. Need to do the wing, get the doors and the back wings in first. And then, so we've got that. Now we need to, oh, that comes in a bit. And then this here bends over. And looks dead flat to me. That bend needs to be there. Okay. We also need to put that in afterwards. So let's get the bead roller. Actually, no, I'm going to cut that in, I think. There is my line. Now I just run like a score mark down with my grinder. That way it should ensure a nice straight line, because I can run that better than the bead roller. There we go, bend him over. There we go. He is there. Now I'm just going to weld that up so it doesn't move. And I probably might grind that later, so to do with the grinder room. We can get away with that. Now, just need to work out that piece there. Now I need to bend that up. Again, I'm just going to score this. And then bend that up. Okay. Now, let's see how that fits. Weren't actually too far out. Not too bad, that. I mean, would never be watertight, right? But hey, good enough for me.